Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yeah, let's see what we do today. We are a little bit later today, but we did some previous jobs, so we are okay with that. So let's see what we find today. Let's see what opportunities this market has for us. So Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well.
Very
It is
nice.
Monday, so.
Okay, understood, boss. Understood. Yeah, it's Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. A little bit wet out there, like it's raining a lot.
But
I have to
it's
check if we
mild.
have any news because last week was all soft news and things like that, so we didn't have much to be concerned about. But let's see this week. This app is having a little bit. It's a little bit buggy, so I'm gonna have to wait for the announcement if anything. But in general, markets looking strong. SPY trying to go back up. You see all the protests going everywhere, like people protesting.
The largest protest
Manifestation.
in United States history.
Oh yeah.
Over 7 million people.
Yeah, I was looking at that thing yesterday. Actually,
The biggest number of people that mobilize in one shot.
look at that.
Incredible. All over the world, yeah. All over the world, all over the states.
You know what
It's
I'm
the biggest
concerned
one.
here?
hmm
Um, yeah, it's okay. I cannot
Are
say.
you gonna say it?
I cannot say that in the air because.
Yeah, I was gonna say I think you shouldn't because I think I know what you're gonna say.
Yeah, it's okay. All good, all good. So, but yeah, it's unfortunate the fact that we are having the manifestation. I was not going to say anything wrong. It's just like it involves other people and like it's good to keep it healthy. So it's okay. So not that it wasn't anything against the other people. It's just we want to, if anything, protect people's opinion. So yeah, good for that. So Marie, I am looking at Rigetti, but I'm looking at Nvidia as well. Like Nvidia is looking. I was looking at it quite bullish this morning. Right now I have doubts because I don't know what it is right now. So market's gonna open in about 30 seconds. So let's see. So NVDA. All right. So Nvidia, are you a short from the open? Oh, there is a high chance that they say yes. So how is the tape looking like on Nvidia?
Yes. And here we go.
Good luck, everybody. Have fun. Yeah, let's see what this market wants to do. I'm trying to go short at Nvidia, but very specific price, 184 actually. Never pull out of the tape, and yeah, I might not do it. Like let's see. We're gonna have to be very patient for that trade. So, Rigetti, what are you doing? Rigetti? Reggaeton. Rigetti. I don't know how to say that.
Reggaeton.
El Señor hizo en ti maravillas.
So big rip up for the market.
Yeah, hoppa.
Opa.
Yeah. I keep reading the tape on Nvidia. It's just like I could be totally wrong, but this is gonna take time. Whatever it's like doing, I can take it right there, but that's not a smart thing to do. So why? Because I think there's gonna be some volatility spike that is gonna make it go a little bit higher, especially the way it's holding there. So the price I took, it was a very technical price for the short, so I want to exercise that. I get it at the price I want it, or I don't get it. Señor, hizo en ti maravillas. Okay, so now we are looking like if I want to go long, probably. Um, so I got Nvidia long. Let's see if it manifests or not. It's unfortunate, but the levels I was trying to go one way or the other, they were right there. So that's why I have to flip my sides and say now I want to go long instead of going short. And that light up that I don't have the best price, but yeah, the best price is right below there, about 180, 150. It's actually, it's okay. Let's see if he wants to go down or up. It's very determined tape. Like, are you looking long or short, Marie? Like, or short?
I'm short, but I'm shorter on Ionic right now.
Okay.
50 cents. And there it goes.
Getting.
Almost $1 in the money for Ionic.
Nvidia not working for me right now, so we're gonna be careful here. It's probably gonna get me out. So I got out of Nvidia on purpose, but I just gonna get that trade back at a better price.
I'm $1 in for Ionic. SPY seems to be topping a bit there. We'll see. Well above, well above the PCL. We're talking, it's
SPY, right?
yeah, SPY is almost $4 above the PCL.
You are trading Ionic, right?
Yeah. Excuse me. A frog.
Oh la la, Marie.
I got it at the Bell. Short.
Yeah, at GTI, I had an order. I don't know if it got filled or not. I have to wait for that one. Yeah, probably didn't.
So Ionic could be reversing at 62.80. We'll see how agile I am on that one.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh no!
No, it's good. It's okay. I exaggerate like by mistake. It's my bad. So yeah, 83. You say stupid things. Just don't pay attention. I overreact.
Okay.
Yeah, what I noticed, and I'm looking at the wrong time frame, and like I keep saying, I will have to block those charts because like I'm wanting to go long in Nvidia, and I say like it's based in a time frame that is not a day trade perspective here, and I say something is off, like and I look at it, and then I look at the other chart, and I say, okay, so that's the wrong idea, my guy, So all good. We just seems to surprise me a little bit more than normal.
That happens to me. Ugh.
I still might be wrong, but like at least now if I am right, like it's
No, we got it.
yeah, like
come on.
Wouldn't you expect this type of news, like those manifestations, to bring the market down and things like that?
Mm-hmm. Well, you've heard that right now the states have engaged Colombia now?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so you knew about the bombing of the boats in Venezuela?
Yes.
Okay, so now he's bombing Colombian boats.
Yeah, it's
So
not
you'd
nice.
think that all of that, the global tension that's happening, that,
So now I have a better trade, definitely. I just have to wait for it to manifest. Yeah, that's very tricky, what Mary Warrior commenting in there, but hey.
yeah, you'd think that there would be, right, oh yeah,
You took partial? 100 times?
Here we go.
Se le patrón.
Se lo patrón. No, yo no creo. But no, this was your call. You know that I like to trade um, some volatility and ionic and all those, like where you've got a significant spread on the bid ask.
Mm-hmm.
You know that I enjoy that. So you called ionic this morning, and I was watching it at the open, and so oh yeah, you know what? And right now it could be when you're looking at, look at this right here, this here,
Yeah.
that could be a good
Bottom.
reversal,
Mm-hmm.
right? So
I have some homework to do because I told you I have an order to be all out of Tesla, but I didn't notice that they report earnings Wednesday.
oish.
So if I am like I don't know, I don't have an opinion, but what I'm saying is if it's gonna go as bullish as I think it's gonna go, like well, I don't have an opinion on that. It's my opinion. Yeah, that's my opinion. It's gonna go really bullish. That's what I think. So I will be leaving too much money on the table if that's the case. So I have to recheck my exit because we can see Tesla at 500 like before Friday. That's a good underestimation.
Really? Eh?
Mm-hmm. Like the same way we could see it at 300. You know, it's I'm not trying to be.
So the earnings obviously will. What you're saying is going to affect the price action significantly.
Yeah, I like because they have been reporting like both sides, like good earnings, not so good, you know, margin problems and things like that. That's why I say I think it's gonna be valuable to just look at it and see where it wanna go.
Well said. Because, as well, with everything going on with the vehicle, is it affecting sales? Is it? I'm
You know
looking
that
forward to
I look
seeing
at that as a very minor things.
in the big scale of things.
The reason is because they have a tendency to be too sensationalist about Tesla's news when it comes to that. Like if you go and you take the same thing and you look at the same type of data
Others,
for others, it's like you know,
we're doing pretty good.
yeah, we are pretty good and pretty safe. So but because Tesla is the most known, the most big, and blah blah blah. Like, if you're trying to get a mango down the tree, would you throw at the green then if there are yellow ones?
Oh, look at you.
I don't think so. So I'm gonna mute myself for a second. All right, I have this Nvidia that is not working that good right now, so but it's not proving me that it wants to go against me either. So I guess the answer is gonna be more on SPY. Like, feel free to throw me your opinion, Maria, about what do you think SPY is doing. Like right now, SPY is looking so bullish.
It is looking bullish, but when we're looking at, I'm a little bit at the same position as you with Ionic. I am at the PCL. It seems like it wants to go through, but you know, the MACDs are reversing, all that good stuff. So I'm still holding my position. If I'm looking at SPY right now, and we're looking at the RSI, we're looking at the last few volume candles. There you go, Ionic. Come on, go downside.
Go to
Well,
Wahoo.
Go to Wahoo. Well, just in case, you know what? I know that you want to have some pressure there, but I don't want to leave any money for now. So right now seems to be consolidating, and it seems like it wants to reverse. I said that a little bit earlier. The PCL about 62.50. It went lower than that. SPY seems to be consolidating. Seem to have had a top. You're looking at the RSI is really pulling back, and it seems like the buyers right now have jumped into the SPY. So the tape though, 66965 is huge level, and it's not that far from there. It's actually a double shield. So we've got a 66964 and 66965. That's ginormous. So we're talking for almost 500 lots there. And for SPY, that's just a wow. So
In case you have any value, you have that level.
you have that level as well. So it could be a good reversal flush from there. We will see. It's still there, not going away, that level right there. And yeah, I'm glad I took another partial there that I was pretty disciplined, because I feel like I want to reverse, or it could very well be when I'm looking at Ionic. You know, the RVol has dropped significantly, though the volume is still decent. Is that the one that I want to go long in? When it could be bouncing the VWAP? Not so much.
So what is there about now? Let's see.
Yep. That level's still there, but SPY is still a little bit in consolidation. We still have okay, so SPY is going to pull back to the VWAP. We've got enough participation for that. Is it going to pull back into the opening range? Because right now it's trading above it. Okay, so it is testing the VWAP at the moment. Looks like a good reaction. You've got two shorts, Stevie?
Yes, I do. And I am trying to get an option for AMD.
AMD tape. Ugh,
Yeah, that's one of my shorts as well.
I don't like the AMD when you're reading tape. The information is limited because of the ones we have.
Yeah. $237.50. Okay, $237.50 and it's a put.
There we go. And I'm out of here. Oh my God, Davey.
What happened?
Your RX.
Hey. Yeah, I went out with 300% on that one.
Wow. Okay, so SPY is reacted with the VWAP. Seems like that double shield is still there, so it's good. Should be retesting that
There's a
one.
little problem in there.
That could be interesting. SMCI had a really good, seems like there's a good deal happening, but we're talking $1. Okay, so at 55.
I like for my friend there that I sent a text this morning. Probably if you are listening to this, I sent you a text this morning about Rigetti, and probably you say, "Oh, the price is too far." That's a understandable thing, but like if you see, we gonna get that price pretty soon, and as I say, it's a very specific price that we observe on Rigetti. So out of the two prices, the one for the cold should be getting there very soon.
45 or 43?
It's not related to the like it's the stock consideration for the price is 42. But what I have been finding is like, and this is why I understand that it's hard for to determine at what price we want it. But like the option price I gave this person is, it looks like it's like about, let's see to be clear about that. Like it's more than 500% discount price. And that's why I say it looks like if it's not gonna be getting there. But what I am finding, and this is the joy of options things that like I have seen, though the price is pulling back right now. If we talk about Rigetti, we can say have been pulling back about 6 to 7%. Yeah, 857% is the price in the option. Like if you see here, I have an order to get it. I haven't get it because he haven't get there. It's a working, so I have to order one of them. The one I'm talking about is the cold. So yeah, we will have to pull back quite a lot. But right now, if I look this, which one is the 43? Yeah, since I look at it to now, it have pulled down already 400%. So that's gonna be very tricky, but this it's crazy and it's cool at the same time because like how the heck do you do that?
Okay, so the double shield's on deck. Is it gonna repel? Is it gonna go through? On SPY, we're talking SPY. 66964 and 65.
What are you trading, Marie?
So I had a couple of orders, but the one that I just got is on
Pretty good.
GTI at
Long.
45
Nice.
long.
Look at
So
you.
we'll see. So I got like my trade in Ionic, I got completely out of there. We'll see what that's going to happen.
Yeah, AMD is gonna reach all-time high probably soon. Oh my god. super far.
Okay, the double is on deck.
Forty, 50. That was the wrong one. What the heck are you doing? All right.
Okay, double shield on deck.
I got it. It's okay. Right, there we go. Now enjoy, enjoy. You have to go down. Down. Really, really bad execution from my side there, but I should be quiet now. For Nvidia, no, Nvidia, the execution has been clean, but AMD really pressed 3 times the wrong hotkey, so like,
Ooh.
shoot my head.
Okay, so Spy went through those 2 orders. What? What's going on? What do you mean?
Deja vus are going on my head.
Oh. Are they good deja vu?
Oh, they are beautiful deja vus.
Really? It doesn't look like.
Oh yeah, no, they are. I can tell you,
Mm-hmm.
my friend, they are. So I say I need to check the news from earlier this morning, and like I have been just sleeping on, like. Yeah, I don't see any. We have, yeah, like that's not there. So this app is really not working good.
Mm-mm.
No. So I have no no news, like, and the one that are there, they have no clear things of what they're gonna do.
Well, with the government still closed, right?
Yeah, like that's why probably they don't have data. So if I have to take a look at that, I'm trying to get the put, the 43. What is the value of that right now? So put 43. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. At the same time, it's like I'm not well educated about options, so to me this is making no sense. But at the same time, it's like it's not my job for it to make sense. It's just like, but probably I would like to understand better how a product can, like, and as I say, like, this is the reason why I'm trying to learn in this. How can something devaluate like 500%, 600% in a matter of 2 days? It's but of course, when I say that like that's from the perspective of a trader, not an investor. Because if I am buying this to secure an investment, then it makes sense. But at the same time, does it have to be that bad? Like, does it have to go that far for it to be doable? And then when we look at the how is the SPY looking to you right now?
Well, you know what
I know
we
it's
called
strong,
that
but like,
top?
mm-hmm.
The 669.75.
Mm-hmm.
We've definitely found some resistance there. So we'll see what's going to happen now. But if we're looking at the RSI, it hasn't pulled back significantly. We do now have a position in SPY at 670, which is not that far from there, right? So
Okay, let me take a look at this. 670. Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
don't you need me like I need
Nah, it's okay, it's fine. Yeah, I have that level, Marie.
you? Got the level at 670?
Mm-hmm.
Got
Okay, that's a put. 49 put. Alright. Then call. So, any good story, Marie?
do.
No.
Okay, you know what? I will. I'm gonna work on that because, like, I keep. When it comes to any good stories,
You should be very good at it, actually.
not for the short jokes, short stories. I'll tell my grandkids to prepare me.
Yeah, for sure.
So, do you have good stories, Stevie?
Well, not really. Like, I got slowed down a bit, so it's a bit intense morning. So, but yeah, more than that, no, not really. I'm gonna work on that too. So as I keep asking, so
Yeah.
just like this time, like I really have nothing to do with those trades. Like I don't wanna overtrade because I did overtrade a lot. But look at the acceleration of those price action. Did you see the liquidity flush that happened there?
Whoosh.
When I say liquidity flush, it doesn't mean up or down. It was just a really liquidity. Because if I say liquidity liquidations or anything, it also sounds as weird. So, but yeah, things accelerate a lot there. Those tapes went crazy. So, toward which side we don't know. Like AMD definitely toward the downside because it was a bit extended. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now?
I like that song.
Me too. I'll be back out. Alright, I got out of the way for Nvidia because I probably run trading the wrong names. Like Nvidia goes up, AMD goes down and backward. It's like really annoying. Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot Nvidia at a different point because I remember the size from the tape. And yeah, there we go. It's going up very crazy right now. So stop loss right there. We got it. But that should be it. Like, I probably could use a tighter stop loss on that one, though I won't because the market is being funny.
So we've had a pull on the RSI for SPY, and then a push up. We've seen again the 670 is still there, and like you said, you have those levels, right?
Yes, and like if you see on Nvidia, though I went like that trade. It should be the like there is the same price I had at the open. Like I say, I want to have it short at 184, but I didn't. I put the order and I see there was no intention, so I jump in before. And right now it's going very higher and higher. Like I mean, it's
Wow. Are you
Yeah.
able to survive 185?
oh yeah, I'm able to well 185. Yeah, by the penny.
Okay.
But what I'm saying here, like that tape is actually looking quite bullish.
Did you see the tape, the positions?
Yeah,
To
yeah.
the offer?
Yeah, I'm considering probably being out if we go back to break even. Though I don't think it's necessarily the best. The momentum is there, that's a for sure. But like if you see how it had enough trouble at the 84, that's a for sure. Now it's going for the 85. I want to see what the 85 is going to do.
Yeah, there seems to be participation now. The tape seems to be flipping, like it keeps populating. So 670 almost there. Big position on the 50. They have 184.50. You're so fluffy, Dumbo. You're so fluffy.
You think so?
Good job, Papa. You are now fluffy. Good job. Good job, Brigatti.
Yeah, we're gonna be out of Nvidia. Well, I don't have to be out prematurely, but like, it's definitely not the best trade. Like, INTC probably flying or something like that.
Let's go check that out. It's number 3. Actually, INTC seemed to have found a level there, and now it's interacting with the 50 EMA. It interacted with the 200 EMA, and that, oof, and we still have that level. I did not put any levels this morning, no levels whatsoever on INTC, and it's right between the 2 levels that I put in last week. So, 3750. So I wouldn't trade that. So 3750 to 3850. INTC would be. No. It's okay. You're getting really, really close. Wow, you seem to have enough momentum to go through the VWAP. Really?
That was a mistake. Never is too late to say sorry.
That would be sweet.
What was that? Gonna be out of AMD right now. It's okay. Like today, I have done that mistake where I have been looking at the wrong direction, and I am clear about that. I have been looking at the wrong direction. So what I have to address right now about going to the wrong direction is that normally I will start flipping, and you start flipping when it's the wrong time to be flipping. So it's better like, oh, you get out here, like just look for another trade, walk away, and like look for a trade that has quality on it, and then you can go back to functional. Yeah, you okay?
Sorry, people. You know when you've got a little hair, and my hair is so fine, and I just have a little baby hair that seems to tickle me right in between the eyes. It's like, whew. I've been trying to inconspicuously trying to remove it, but I've not been successful. So now I'm pulling a.
So I got out of AMD. So I don't have a trade right now. As I say, I noticed that I have been only going long. The only short, the only long I took
Okay.
was Nvidia, and that's the only one that at some point was right. So, um, so the INTC is 3620s 29. So that's too far from it.
Did you have AMD? You were looking at AMD today, weren't you?
Yeah, it's all time high right now. It didn't work my trade. So I have an order for Nvidia, but like I am not chasing it because yeah, that wasn't smart for me to chase those Nvidia. So yeah, AMD all time high right now, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not all time high. But
Close to it.
Yeah, but it's quite high. Yeah.
SPY's pretty much not doing much right now, right?
Not really. Yeah.
What you looking at?
I'm looking at AMD long. That's a scalp tray. The tray on.
AMD?
Mm-hmm. And just I wanna go short, and I have certainty that it will get there. So hey,
I'm gonna go see what's happening at AMD.
yeah, I guess people are talking about, right?
No,
No.
you're talking about it. So you're saying you're short? No, you're
No,
not.
I'm long. But I'm long because I'm looking for the short. And I am expecting it to not go too low right now, so but
Okay.
it's kind of a counterintuitive move, but
So AMD is not at the all-time high right now?
no.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I can tell you the all-time high right now. My guy, like, why are you? Oh my god,
Oh no.
it's all good. It's all good, my guy. All good. I had the wrong. I'm whining a lot today, so I had the.
I didn't want to say it.
Yes, I am whining a lot today. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm looking at a ticket A, like just A instead of AMD. I'm looking at A. What is A? You know, it's like.
I don't say. But
C'est
I
la
think
vie, mon ami.
AMD
C'est la
is
vie.
at an all-time high.
Yes, it is an all-time high. You're
Okay.
totally right.
Okay. I was wondering. I said, okay, well, I'm into the weekly and I can't find it. So.
Oh no, it's my bad. I'm sorry.
Hmm.
Take a wrong.
Yes, as if.
Hi, papi. So let's see. This is AMD. AMD should be okay. I am not looking short on AMD. I learned my lesson last time. So
We've got a really, 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 really deep green map. Whew. Wow. Okay, our sector map is
say okay price. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be trading right now. But like, I'm gonna keep myself in check just in case.
that's a good idea. To be aware.
I guess LAC is popping up. So Tesla. So what price is that? Have you ever taken a look at PLTR lately or not?
No! That's been forever. Well, it's not showing up in volume. It's not showing up in Arval. It's just not showing up.
Mm-hmm.
I think the last time we looked at it was at the beginning of last week when it actually was a little volatile, and it was you pulling it out of nowhere because it wasn't on our list.
Yeah, I pull it out for the opposite of what you say, because it wasn't volatile. Like I look at it and I find it interesting because it was very quiet while the market was screaming everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's what I mean. You pulled it out of nowhere because it wasn't on the list. It wasn't.
yeah, because you
Right.
trade a ticket every day and out of the blue is not there, you know.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like it was almost like withdrawal from PLTI. I need to check it, and you did, and I think it was a good trade, right?
I think I didn't trade it that day. I just look at it,
Okay.
but I don't remember.
Okay, from this push, come on. Patience is a virtue that I am leaking out. And that's okay, you've made 3 hours.
So I have a level for PLTR.
Okay. Another push there happening for SPY. Good coffee, Davey.
Nice. What do you like?
You took your sweet time.
So I have an order to go short in PLTR.
Mm-hmm.
Very small size, very technical trade. I'm long AMD, but yeah, sometimes you don't get what you don't get because yeah, it sounds like repetitive, but like when I look at my trade, I say like, what was I thinking about there? You know, like just look at SPY. What is SPY doing? Flying.
Well, not flying, but it's definitely going up very consistent. I haven't seen it do this
Well, I can
so
show.
consistently.
Look at the levels I have for today on SPY. Look where they are. So this is the open is here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cross it like if there is nothing in there. So I have to ask myself, even when you go pre-market high that way, what the heck are you thinking about going short? You know, like what is your idea of going short in a market that is not telling you that is like? So it's yeah, that
Well, there are a lot of stuff that, like a lot of stuff. Look at me going Cosa. There's a lot of tickets that can be non-correlated with SPY, right?
Yes, but in my strategy, I supposed to go with the wing. Like
Yes.
whatever SPY wants to go, I will be a SPY. The market in general,
Mm.
whatever. We look at all of them eventually.
Mm-hmm.
But it's okay. We
I really, really love my trading lately.
well, lately it's like I've been working on that very good. So since your good job is paying off, right?
Thank you. I only took 2 trades. One was short, one was long. What was that? Oh,
My
it's,
feet.
it's you.
Yeah.
I am going to be getting out completely out of Rigetti very shortly.
Anyway.
Hmm. 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 have about 20% left of my position on Rigetti.
Nice.
What you doing?
I'm waiting. I'm willing to take a short on PLTR,
Oh,
and I probably gonna flip on AMD as well. I got out of AMD.
well, PLTR. Où es-tu? So weird, eh? To have it there all the time. And it's not bad. $4. Yeah, a short. Oh yeah, 182.80.
No, I have to. Yeah, for PLTR,
Yeah. Excuse me.
183. But right now,
Wow, very nice.
subscribe to level 2 quote.
Okay.
Like this thing, I am not getting what I need right now. Like for the options thing, so I don't know if I have too many things open on my computer or what, but
Yeah, you seem to be multitasking to the humped level.
yeah, unfortunately late, but like I am trying just to be responsible with those trades and like, but I really was going wrong direction for yeah. There are days that we really have to be able to say, you know what, today I won't trade.
Yes.
My
we
friend
agree.
seems to be good at that, like Angel, but like
He
it's
just he walks away.
oh yeah, like the other day he went to sleep just because he considered.
Hey, he was exhausted, couldn't see things
Yeah.
properly, right?
Yeah, it's
I love that.
say not today. been getting a headache, my girl.
Oh no.
So,
Do you have a backache?
no,
Just a headache?
just a little headache.
Oh, just. A headache is never just, but. No, it's true. Yeah, I really like the Wally, the Festival of Lights.
Yeah. Okay, it's just for one ticket that I was having trouble to get the data.
Oh, okay.
Right, now I have what I want. So, what are you trading, Marie?
Rigetti.
Rigetti.
I only have very little shares left. And I already have 8R. On
Nice.
Rigetti. It'd be nice just to get 10.
So let's see if I can do this. Yeah, SPY, I think it's gonna bounce from the 670,
Mm-hmm.
but that will be the question there. Is it gonna bounce the 70s or not? If it doesn't bounce the 70, we can be more quiet about, I will say.
Should bounce before if it needs to bounce.
You mean for a SPY?
You mean to the long?
Yes.
Mm.
Like if it's gonna be long for real, like of course, like now you have put a very nice move, like it's already validated there. But if he's gonna keep going higher, I don't see why not to print higher.
holding way too well there. So Spy seems to be not wanting to even retest the 50 EMA. It's true, it's oof.
Rigetti it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What did you do today with Rigetti again?
That one was along at 45.
Oh, you didn't write it up and down?
Rigetti,
Mm-hmm.
long at 45. That was it. And the other one was a short on Ionic.
Nice.
Now, thank you.
Yeah, it's very cool. Going both directions.
No, oh yeah, trading both,
Yeah,
but
like
not with the same ticket.
Yeah, well, I thought that's what when I mentioned it. I thought it was in both
Mhm.
tickets, in one ticket, but yeah, it was in different tickets.
Mm-hmm.
Because I saw you at first, you got a short, and now you have a long.
Mm-hmm.
I assume you were staying fixed, like to your tickets and.
That would be, that's going to be a next level that I would like to do, because really, if you're able to go down, get in at one of the lowest price and get out at the highest price, well, you should be swift enough to reverse your position and then go and ride the dragon back down. It's just that not every, and you've witnessed that how many times. Like, I know that for me, I've traded where, oh hey, yeah, no, this is the plateau, this is the bottom, but then it stays there and consolidates in the 50-cent range for about 3 hours, and like, oh, kill me now. It doesn't escape, and then you get smoked because you keep going reverse, 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 reverse. And I said, no.
More and more, I see whenever that thing is happening, like especially, I probably could say that it depends on what type of market we are. But in the type of market we are right now, like that is very volatile. If you don't get the reaction fast enough, probably it doesn't happen, you know.
Mm-hmm. Well said.
So.
Apple's an all-time high.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah, I saw it popping this morning, but 263. Okay, let's do a little tape reading here for AMD.
Yeah, I find AMD very challenging. Straight read.
Yeah, like and to be honest, what I focus more on AMD when it's looking like that because it's the print.
It almost has to be.
Because
Even the level 2 is level 2 print, yeah, it unique.
yeah, like right now, and even that's not saying a lot, you know. In day trading, I would like to get to the level that I don't trade anything with exceptionalism. Like for example, right now I'm looking at the tape on, and let's say like it's a behavior that for sure happened here and there, and it's like we think it's something new, or we feel like oh there is a new. Or like basically what I'm saying by that is like if I assume that this is a, which it is a unique moment, but the behavior is like the maneuver. There is a limit of maneuver that you can do. I mean, like when you have, it's like if you are playing chess, like you have a very specific amount of move that you can do. Yes, it's a huge number for sure, but yeah, you know, so
It's not limited.
yeah, in here like people cannot do magic with the shares. They're gonna have to sell or buy. So it's just sell or buy and or not do anything, and there's only three outcomes of that one. So let's say.
And what are they looking at, right?
Exactly. So like, and I'm looking at the tape on AMD right now, and I say, you know what? Like this could be the most boring moment in AMD, but like it could be just naturally selling. So if I want to be right, let's say, because you have to look at it, but like then you see like a buyer popping up. So you want to gauge like which one is the one that is wrong. Is the overall population or is the guy that is alone? In the past, I have said, whenever you see a big buyer, go with the big buyer and forget about the others, because the big buyer is gonna have the power to crush everybody at some point. So, but yeah, from that, I'm trying to gauge here: do I want to keep my trade or do I want to just look at it and like get out at it without any risk, as I have been doing run today? And yeah, like as I say, there is a moment to flip, but this is not the moment to flip. Like for example, I call out in PLTR at 183. What was the high of PLTR? 183.06. So, do you seem to be right in the direction right now? For now, like I mean, yes. So, but the level of confidence get affected because that's the same direction that you have been getting smoke, just because you force it. So, like, look how that VWAP on AMD have been flattening. Like, flat and across it. Like, I mean, if AMD falls from there, that's not gonna be pretty.
Don't get stuff.
Like, there is a VWAP confluence right now, which is the highest volume of the day. Is the 50 moving average in the 5 minute. It's almost the 200. So if we lose the VWAP for good, what is going to stop it? The 236. And that's what I mean. Like but like, I'm trying to convince myself of the trade, and that's why I don't like it.
You said you're short.
I am short, yeah.
It's so hard, especially for AMD right now.
Look how it pop up right away. A couple cents, easy. Why? Because there is somebody buying it.
Yeah, big position at 241 as a buyer.
But the 240, 250 have been putting a lot of pressure on it. Sorry.
Can you survive 243?
That's my stop loss.
Okay. All right. Position building.
Yeah.
Well, we do have some front running, so that's good. At 98 and at 90. I'm in a tricky spot where I'm saying to myself, hey, I'm going to get out on the next push, but I'm long. So when it pushes,
You don't want to get out, yeah.
right? Because now you're in the momentum. So I'm like,
Yeah.
because technically, I want to get out at 48, but I think I'm dreaming. And I
We're getting?
yes, I believe that the 60 is pretty much close to what it tested there. And then, like I added on the pullback at 47, so I was able to rebuild a little bit for the last little push.
Mm-hmm.
And we seem to have some participation, but
That's for our GTI.
yeah, our GTI, there's participation, but the participation needs to happen. It needs to be able to, first of all, get to the 60 for it to be able to then initiate a stack going into the 48s. But not looking crazy. Right now, there's a really strong agreement on fair pricing here. It's really close to the opening top level. So I think now it's re-entering actually, or very close to re-enter the range. So is it normal that we've got consolidation here? Yes, but it's almost okay.
And like I like, to be honest, it looks like a short to me, and it's short from like 47.50 in the best case scenario.
Exactly. That's where I'm looking. I'm
So-
looking to get out at 47.50, which is dead on opening price.
Like in my strategy, if you go out at 47.50, you have been very efficient.
Especially when I took it at 45.
Yeah, exactly. So
And I'm still in the trade. I did do a double partial at 47.65 and 47.70. So that I was very wise for that. But then, thank you.
let's ring it for you. A second, will ring it for me.
And then I was able to add to the position when it was pulling back into the 47. So I rebuild a little bit. I don't have a full position, but yeah. I'm breaking even, but it would be nice to be able to maximize and go to the. Right now we've got a strong position at 47.20. 8. What you laughing?
I just have like a little reflection in my head.
About your deja vu?
No, about my traits. Like, I mean, basically, like you know how we have like ideal, like politically talking, we say there are things that shouldn't happen that happen. in trading, if we have that flexibility, it's like we will still be standing up a little bit better. It's like how do you say that? It's right now you have your Rigetti, let's say, and you're trying to be out at 47 something, at 48 probably.
47.50.
Yeah, so if I say if I am taking the same picture, though I am taking it with another stock that I am looking at, let's say, I would say it shouldn't be trading above those 47, but it's trading above 47. So instead of you being like very, how would say that, hard-headed or whatever, it shouldn't do that. Like, okay, it is there, you know. If it is there, how do I deal with it in a way that I am cautious, but at the same time I get the opportunity? Well, basically, like in your case, it makes no sense to take a loss in that one because of what it is. So, like, but that's what I'm saying. Like, I have, and I'm gonna talk about myself in that one. I have a tendency to say this shouldn't happen, and then I put too much force in this shouldn't happen, and you just add resistance to whatever is happening already, and the resistance make it like not easy to do. But yeah, thank you for the talking. It's just a reflection because yeah, I had like for example, I told you I was looking at Nvidia for the first 15 minutes. I was looking at the wrong time frame here, and in here you see I went short. That short is perfect. Those shorts are okay, but I didn't notice that actually I went long here, got a loss. Then I add to the short. This short here is correct. But once we do that, the rest is just dreaming. Going short here is very stupid. So, I mean, like I'm talking myself. So I'm
Very
not
stupid.
I'm
not
calling
prudent.
anybody. Yeah. So it's like when you let it do that, like you have to have and for example, what is my level here? Is a point of resistance. What is my level here? Is a point of resistance. So your idea is correct. Your timing is totally wrong, and because you are wrong in your in what confluence with your idea, the fact that you're putting too much force, you just get pulverized right there. You know, it's just like in here going with less sizes makes more sense, and then it's like
More, you're going in with conviction instead of observation.
yeah, good observations.
I know what you mean. And it's a fine line.
Yeah.
Because you need to react to the if
I-
you believe in the trade, you need to add when it goes against you, right? But then you're like, ugh,
You know what
okay.
doesn't help it though? To be tilted, and that's what I kind of
Yes.
like. That's why I say I like my friend Angel. Like it's good idea when it's good habit and good discipline when you are able to say, you know, right now, no right time frame. Let's not touch this thing. So
But
today,
it's difficult to do.
yeah, it's awareness that is required to be able to say those things.
Well said.
But yeah, cool. At the end, let's see what we do. It's just, you know. Yeah, this Webull thing is not giving me data. I don't know if he gave me a limited amount of data and then it just blocked me or whatever because it's a simulator and I am not paying for it. So I am using the free version. But right now it's not manifesting.
No?
No.
Well, the daddy's gonna probably got me off. Yay. It did. Rigetti got me up.
Good.
Yes, it has been good. So,
Baby, come back, come back, come back. Baby, don't go. I'm sorry.
I think it's, wow, okay, yeah, it is. 15-hour day.
Yeah, you have been having a lot of those.
I know, right? Around there? The 12 to
Yeah.
15 seems to be a sweet spot. I'll take it. AMD. It's definitely one of the stock that's feeding. Right now, SPY.
Yeah, but in my humble opinion, it's too high.
Again, right? Convictions and observations.
Yeah,
But I
am
gotta
saying it
remember-
as an observation because.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna be right now. I seen, and it's difficult, but yeah, the 242.50, and I'm gonna put that level down. Though I do not trade AMD, but 242.50 is turning out to quite
Resistance.
a resistance level. Yes.
Well, right now it's the heaviest
Mhm.
executions level.
Agreed. So I've got that one there at 242.50.
For me
And
too.
when we're looking at the MACDs,
Hmm.
the RSI, the MACDs signals, right now we found a little bit of buyers, but it's definitely the volume candles are running low now. When we're looking at buyers, like the buyers, when we had the long signal, when it bounced off the 50 EMA and the long signal came on, like the volume candles were about 3 times. The volumes of buyer were about 3 times what we're finding here. So definitely people seem to be thinking the same as you, Davey. This is a high price, and yes, I am interested in AMD, but at a lower price. And VWAP seems to be popular. So we've got a 240 that's popular, and we've got the 239.50 that's popular. It seems. Do you get those?
Can you repeat those?
Okay, so right now
Mm-hmm.
we've got the 240.
Yeah.
That's
0.
a 240.00.
Mm-hmm.
That seems to be a good level.
Mhm.
And then we've got the, well, Anchor VWAP and VWAP, they're all right there.
Yeah, but
And the 200. So that 239.50, we should really pay attention to see what AMD is going to
Okay.
do there. But it should be able to pull back to that.
did you pull out those numbers from the level 2?
No,
From the chart, okay.
I did it from the chart.
Yeah. While you are doing
No,
that,
the chart and this
And the
here
tape.
when they show up, go down. Show
Okay.
up and go down.
yeah, look at this.
Okay.
I told you that I cannot rely on the tape much. Like on the level 2, I
Mhm.
cannot rely much on the level 2.
Okay.
So, if like I'm gonna explain it the most clear I can. So I'm gonna do my best
Okay.
to explain it the clear as I can. So, around here, around 240, 230, we can even extend it to 275. Let's say. When we were trading around here,
Mm-hmm.
I am looking at the tape to see where can we go. Like this thing is looking like very bullish in the chart, though there is evidence of selling here and there. But in here, because I have a lack of information on the level 2, I decide to look at the print. In the print, I'm getting a bunch of white prints. What are white prints? White prints are middle prints. What are middle prints? Most of them are people that are hiding their direction, or computers that are hiding their directions. Or some of them are a little bit tilted to one side or the other. If you're able to read fast enough, that you will say bid-ask spread is above the middle print or below the middle print.
Mm-hmm.
So, but like you got them, it pop up a bit, but then it sell off. From where? 225. Not even like it tried to reach 250. It actually reached 257. 240.57. 242.57. Then the top is heavy right there because we can see the volume on that top right now at 242.50. Like it's insane. Like this is a heavy volume here. What is happening right now at around 241? Well, I look at the tape here at the level 2 and I see that 241.05 is buying 31 lot. Then 240.70 is buying 61 lot. So, but little amount of shares. That's in the bid. In the ask, we have 242 242.00 with 35 lot. That's gonna be our next test. We have to let it go to 242, so it's gonna be very slow thing here. But like, let's say, then we have somebody at 245.00. Like, I think he's dreaming. But what I'm saying here, because of the lack of information in the level 2 here, I go back to the print again, and I have a lot of middle print. Middle print at 241.70, 241.77, 241.80. And then, like, you observe what happened after the middle print. You got a heavy bid that come and push the price higher, but it's not...
242 on deck.
Yeah, I say I want to see it filling up, the 242. But like, it's basically I have to let the trade express itself for me to be wrong there. So removing the stop loss, removing myself out of the trade is wrong. Look at that. Middle print, and we go to where? To 241.50. So what I'm saying here is that though I cannot determine if they are sellers or buyers being aggressive, because the middle print is middle print, what I'm seeing is that once they are done with whatever they are doing, the price go down.
So the 242,
yeah, you just whack it there.
It will be whacked, and then you're going to get to the it should test again the 50, and should be able to see if it's going to be pulling back. 50's on deck.
So to me, the maneuver is a short maneuver, though it is very hidden. Like, I mean, it's whoever is doing, like, or like, it could be a bunch of people. Like, the maneuver is not clear. It's not being shown. It's just, is this the best trade I can take? No, it's not the best. I should be trading PLTR right now, but I gotta do the exercise of observing this and, like, look, yeah, 07, 04. The bid and the ask here as a size,
huge spread,
is ridiculous. It's useless, actually, like, to look at it, because why? Because it's not consistent. So, or somebody knows something about this name that I don't know. Of course, like, that's a true statement. So, but like, what I'm saying is, like, yeah, like, what are you doing? That's the question. What are you doing?
Okay, so they're pulling out the offer.
That's not good for my short. It will wipe out everything there before. Yeah, look, double stacking at 242.09, 08, 09 on thing. No, on thing. So.
Did you want to review?
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up there here. No clean trade today for me. I did poorly. Like, that's the reality. I short here, took a loss. Short. I like here. I pressed like so many hotkeys wrong, and then I say, I end with a short. No, I end with a long. No, I don't even know. I went long here, got out, got long. No, it's all short. Short out. Short. Out, okay, short.
Is that AMD or NVIDIA?
That's a long out, then short out. That's AMD. Yeah, I cannot read it. As I say, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
So it's just ridiculous whatever I did there. So NVDA, I am not happy about my trading today. So it's really stupid. But yeah. So long out, short, out with a loss, short, out with a loss, and that's it. That's all what I did today. So all what I did was smoking myself today, and yeah, I hope somebody is having fun right now. So, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, what about you, Marie?
Okay, so I only took 2 trades. So my first day trade was Ionic. So I went short Ionic at $65. So 65. I took my first.
Oh my gosh.
I took my first partial, and it started to consolidate a little bit there. So I took it at 65. I took my first partial at 63.75. No. Yeah, 63.75. I took a second partial at 63.50. I added at the PCL at 63. I added again at, hey, watch this one, at 62.13. I took a partial again at the PCL. I took it double at the PCL.
Right here.
I added again when it went to 262 at the bottom of those, like 1, 2 adding. And no.
Yeah,
That
it
was
is.
that I
I
came
see
out.
it's right here. Let's see
Yeah, I came out. I came out
she
because
came out
then,
right here.
Yeah, because I came out right there, close to the PCL. But hey, you know what? I still had $1 that I could have stayed into the trade, but it consolidated for almost 45 minutes there. So I'm glad. So when we're looking at Ionic is a 9-hour trade.
Holy crap.
9-hour trade. So then I went Rigetti. So Rigetti.
Right yet.
RGTI, I went long at 45. That was good.
Oh my goodness.
So I went long at 45. I took a partial at 45.50. No, 45.80. I added on the pullback. I added at 45.10. I took another partial at 45.80. I took another partial at 46.20. I added at 46. I took a partial 46.50, 46.80, 47, 47.50, 47.60. I doubled up there, and now I'm out of the trade.
Yeah.
So that was a really, really
So,
good.
I have a trap question for you, but I don't want you to
So
take
today,
a trade on it.
so that we know, it's a 15-hour day.
Pretty
Wah,
cool
wah,
stuff.
wah. No red trades. Those are the only two. I took a short, took a long, and rode the dragon. I'm very pleased with my trading today. Okay.
Very
please.
nice.
¿Cuál es tu pregunta?
Yeah. Like the question is, as I say, I don't intend to make you take a decision there or to take a trade. But even let's say you can paper trade this one if you are figuring it out. Wouldn't you go short at Rigetti what it is right now?
No.
No. You don't
And-
have historical data for the 48 and the 47.
Oh yes,
60?
I've got it exactly. I've got the my historic is 48.13,
Yeah.
48.10.
Okay.
So if it would get to there, yes. Right now, because it's not typically there, and I do have positions on the tape that possibly could get it to 48, I'm not willing to burn $1 on Rigetti.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, for sure.
So yes, so my point, so I've got two levels. So I've got a level at 47.80, and I've got another level at 48.10, 13 more specifically. So then yes.
Okay. Makes sense.
Does that make sense?
Fair enough to me.
Okay.
Cool. So yeah, that's
So,
it for
yeah.
today. Do you have anything to add?
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
So we seem to have, the only thing is for anyone watching, 670 for SPY. I am going to be marking that. That's very, very significant. 670, 671. So those two there, for SPY to be using 671 as support and resistance, that's going to be, or 671 like it is right now. So the 50 EMA, I find that weak. So we'll see what it's going to do for the rest of the day. We could be having a pullback, which could be fueling Davies short. Okay,
Understood.
I'm done.
Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you have fun. I hope you didn't do what I did.
You
This
could
lady
be in
doesn't
the
want to
rain.
share her screen, so whenever she wants to share her screen, we're gonna be happy to look at it. So have a good one and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.